Hello guys, Alex Emmanuel here, and this is yet another video on Futwiz. We are gonna be opening 5 packs. We'll see if we can get someone good. So let's start. I opened a pack before, and I've got this 92 Inform Ibrahimovic, 78 pace, 95 shooting, 84 passing, 90 dribbling, and 38 defending, and 90 physical. That is really good. So let's start with our first pack. We get ourselves no one good. Koscielny, Casillas, Calhoun. No one good at all. We've got Carvajal. We've got Inform Ari, but he's not that good. We've got Huntelaar, Buffon, but still not a good player. Third pack we've got Shaw, Boateng, that's what I'm talking about. Guarin, alright. Fourth pack we've get oh my days. Oh my days. Messi. Is Messi Khedira has moved to Juventus, so alright. Yeah, not that. But Messi, guys, that's pretty decent. Fifth and final pack of the day, we've get oh my Vieto, striker, 78 rated, man of the match, 85 passing, 85 pace, 80 shooting, 74 passing, 80 dribbling, 65 physical, and 47 defending. And Dani Alves, 86 pace, 70 shooting, 79 passing, 83 dribbling, 76 defending, and 68 physical. So that was it, guys. A pretty good end of the video with Vieto, man of the match, and Messi in the pack before. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you press that like button, and see you next time, guys.